What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the PJ40 Ultra projector, the remote control, an AV cable, 2 AAA batteries, a power cable, a cleaning kit, an air filter, and the user manual. How do I set up the PJ40 Ultra for the first time? Before you begin, pause and use this chart to determine where to place your projector to get the screen size you want. Place your projector, then plug it in using the power cable. Put 2 AAA batteries into the remote control and press the power button on top of the projector. To pair the remote, point it towards the projector from a distance of 7.87 inches or less. Then, press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously. Afterward, follow the rest of the on-screen setup instructions to finish setting up your projector. How do I focus the image? Rotate the wheel near the lens to the left or right until the image is clear. How do I adjust the keystone? Go to Settings, then Picture, then Keystone, and enable Auto for automatic keystone correction. Wait a moment for the projector to adjust the vertical keystone. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Picture, then Keystone, and select 4 sides correction or 4 points correction to adjust it yourself. How do I adjust the projection size? To resize the projection without moving the projector, go to Settings, then Picture, then select Image Zoom. Use the arrow buttons on the remote control to make adjustments. How do I connect the PJ40 Ultra to the internet? Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and turn on Internet Connection. Then, go to Interface, select Wireless, and open Wi-Fi. From there, you can choose your network and input your password to connect. Does the PJ40 Ultra have Netflix built in? Yes. Some officially licensed streaming apps come pre-installed on the PJ40 Ultra. This includes Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. How do I wirelessly cast onto the PJ40 Ultra? For iOS devices, go to Homepage, My App, iPhone Wireless. Then, on your iOS device, open the Control Center and select Screen Mirroring. Select PJ40 Ultra from the list to begin casting. For Android devices, go to Homepage, Screencast, then on your Android device, open the Control Panel and select Android Device and select Wireless Projection. Select PJ40 Ultra from the list to begin casting. For Windows devices, go to Homepage, Screencast, press Windows key and K at the same time. Select PJ40 Ultra from the list to begin casting. How do I pair audio devices? Go to Home, then Settings, then Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth connection, and select Scan to search for Bluetooth devices. Select one of the available devices to pair it. How do I use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker? Press the power button on the projector or remote and select Bluetooth speaker mode. Alternatively, you can go to Home, then My App, and select Bluetooth speaker. On your smart device, enable Bluetooth and choose PJ40 from the list of available devices. You will now be able to play music directly from your projector speakers. How do I mount the PJ40 Ultra to the ceiling? To flip the video for ceiling mounting, go to Settings, then Picture, then Projection, and select Front Ceiling. Then, power off the PJ40 Ultra and unscrew all 4 foot pads on the bottom of the projector to reveal the mounting holes. You will need a ceiling mount compatible with M5 by 13.5mm mounting holes. Does the PJ40 Ultra support 4K HDR? Yes, and you can check whether it's currently active from your Xbox or Fire TV. To check on Xbox, go to Settings, then General, then TV and Display Options, then Resolution, then 4K TV Details. Here, you can find whether your display supports HDR10, among other settings. To check on Fire TV, go to Settings, then Display and Sounds, then Audio and Video Diagnostics. Here, you can check all the information about detected video capabilities, including your display's HDR support, resolution, and more. Does the HDMI port support ARC for connecting to a soundbar? Yes, it supports HDMI ARC on HDMI 1. This means you can enjoy better audio when you connect a compatible audio device to your HDMI 1 port. How do I adjust the fan speed? Go to Settings, then Picture, then Brightness to toggle between 3 different settings. As the brightness decreases, the fans will also adjust to become quieter. How do I set the auto sleep timer? To set an auto sleep timer, go to Settings, then System, then Auto Sleep. There, you can tell the device to go to sleep after a set amount of time. How do I control the PJ40 Ultra with a Fire TV remote? Plug in the Fire TV stick to one of the HDMI ports. Then, launch the Fire TV and open the Settings menu. Go to Equipment Control, then Manage Equipment, then TV, then Infrared Options, then IR Profile, and select Change IR Profile. Scroll down to Find IR Profile and enter 4737 as the IR profile number. You can now use the Fire TV remote to adjust the volume and power the projector on and off. How do I control the Fire TV with the PJ40 Ultra remote? Go to Settings, then System, then Others, and enable HDMI CEC. Switch to the Fire TV input to control your Fire TV with your PJ40 Ultra remote. How do I adjust the image parameters? With one of the HDMI inputs opened, press the Settings button on the PJ40 Ultra remote. Go to Picture Mode to change the image parameters. Go to the User Picture Mode to make custom changes to the image. You can also make changes from the PJ40 Ultra homepage by going to Settings, then Picture, then Display, and selecting Picture Mode. How do I adjust the audio equalizer? From an HDMI device, press the Settings button on the PJ40 Ultra remote. Select Audio to choose a sound style or make other changes to the equalizer. You can also make changes from the PJ40 Ultra homepage by going to Settings, then Sound. How do I clean the air filter? Power off the projector and remove the air filter from the projector. Wipe it down using a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Reinstall the air filter before powering the projector back on. How loud are the fans? The ambient noise level measures 33.6 decibels, about the same volume as a whisper. In standard brightness mode, it rises to 42.4 decibels, roughly the volume of a fridge.